Hello, I'm Sheri Williams Pannell. Milwaukee, Wisconsin is my home. But before my family came to Milwaukee, Wisconsin, they lived in Mississippi and Louisiana. And before my ancestors lived in Mississippi and Louisiana, they lived on the west coast of Africa, where the drum is a very important part of the culture. The drum is used to celebrate through music, birth, marriages, everyday life chores, death, victories, defeats, harvest time. So, drum is a part of everyday life and important life moments. When my ancestors traveled from Africa to America through the Middle Passage as a part of the institution of slavery, when they came to the United States in 1619 through 1865 through the slave trade, the slave owners on the plantation realized that the drum was a very strong communication device. It was used to share information amongst people who didn't always speak the same language from the continent of Africa, because the tribes of people from West Africa were all mixed up. But the rhythm was a constant, because this rhythm is connected to the heartbeat. Love dove. So they had the drum in common. These plantation owners were afraid that the Africans would communicate with one another and seek freedom. So the drum was outlawed. It was against the law for the Africans to speak their native tongue, to practice their rituals connected to their homeland, and to use the drum. And oddly enough, once there was the abolition of slavery, the drum became important again to the development of popular music in America. Everything from jazz to spirituals to ragtime to R&B to blues to the music we know today as rap, and even classical music influenced by the polyrhythms of the drum. The drum is very important to the Africans, the descendant of the Africans, and to American society. So when the drum was missing, first of all, to the Africans on the plantations, this was a very hurtful and serious thing. So what do we do? How do we replace the drum? The rhythms then become a part of the body. Through ham bone, through the clapping, through the tapping, and we have still the rhythm of the drum. But there's nothing to replace the heartbeat of the drum, of the djembe. So, friends, I hope you find it. We need our mother drum.